Aloha! We are at Disney's Aulani Resort here in Ko'olina, Hawaii. We are in a deluxe studio, DVC studio here. The view is Island Garden View, and I'm going to give you a little tour here. We're located on the 6th floor, and the room is 685, and it's the Eva Tower, if I'm correct, so left side. When you come in, it's a standard DVC villa, so you got your little closet here with hangers and hooks, and a beautiful Aulani robe that you can borrow, and if you want to purchase, they do have these available in the store. We have a safe in here as well, and your typical luggage rack. If you want to do a laundry here at Aulani and you don't have it in your room for the studios, you can go to the front desk, and because if you're DVC, they'll be able to give you some free tokens, and the tokens are used in the laundry rooms. I think they have 2 located here at the hotel, so you do get at least 1 wash and dry for free, and then the rest you can pay at the laundry room. All right, so now coming back to the room, we have our nice little kitchenette here with some glasses and some utensils, the paper plates that they're doing now. And a nice little addition is, because we're so close to Asia, we got our chopsticks. Very nice addition to have, actually. Kind of wish they all had that. We didn't get paper cups, but normally the rooms do come with that. We have our standard, this is our cup. You can also buy this for $19.95, right? Yeah. For your unlimited drinks here while you're staying. We have your coffee maker, some Twinings tea, which is nice, and then your standard Joffrey's coffee, but it's the Aulani blend. Your ice buckets, they have ice machines at the ends of the hallways, and I noticed that they filter the water really nice, so it's like Starbucks water. You do get your little dish soap and a scrubby, so at least you have something here. And underneath you have trash as well as a recycling bin, and at the end of the hallways you can also always dump that off at the end of the hallway. There's some dedicated rooms just for trash and recycling. And then we got your standard nice little refrigerator, mini fridge, and there is a freezer section, so you can't fit it's quite deep. It's not super tall, but you can definitely put a few items in there. And if you want to do any microwaving, we have it right up here. And that's about it for this section, I think. Anything else? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me let you know that there is a toaster up here. And for any additional items, you can always ask the front desk, because there are some few things that you can rent or loan here. All right, this is the bathroom. I have to kind of show you this nice little door. I really like this because there's actually a little ventilation here, so it never gets super humid or disgusting in the bathroom. We have our standard vanity here. Really actually good storage underneath, and a hair dryer. I really like the details of like the fish nets. I would imagine that's what they are, and then little waves. There's not a whole lot of Mickey detail also in here, but it's really just nice to feel like the Polynesian culture come into the room. At Aulani, they have special H2O Plus products, and here they have the Hawaiian sea salt. We came here and they gave us double of everything. So you have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion, as well as a bath soap. And then there's also the hand soap that we have kind of already used. So we have that, and then back here is the the toilets and the Aulani robe as well. The shower is really nice. Some people, it's a little confusing to use at first, but we have the standard shower head as well as the rainfall shower, which I love. It's really nice to have. And of course, if you need to do any of your laundry and to hang something here after you're swimming, you have that as well. Now onto the bedroom portion. And we have your nice tall length mirror here. And if you do have some connecting rooms, which they do here at Aulani for the 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, it's right here. Now onto, shall I do this? Yes, I'm going to show you this later. So when you come in, you're greeted by this lovely little Mickey and your little flower, which you can take with you. Clip it on your hair if you're married or single. It's really nice. I will say this room does not have a lot of storage. It's my only thing that I don't like, because I use drawers, but they're quite shallow for even just for 2 people, in my opinion. But it's not a problem. We managed. This room does also have the DVD player that you can go and rent Blu-ray DVDs of Disney films downstairs at the community hall. So super fun if you want to just have a nice relaxing evening. And then here is the, I want to say it's a queen bed. It looks a little bit smaller. Queen bed here. 2 nightstands, which are actually really large, so you can store a lot of things underneath if you notice as well. Again, the only thing we have here of Mickey is on this side here, which is a lovely little lamp. And again, I like this little detail of all, I feel like it's very nature, very Hawaiian, Polynesian kind of culture. I wanted to show you this as well. This is what we received when we checked in. So the ladies get these, the lovely lace, and the men get the, what is it, Kitchenette necklace? We still need the official word on that one, but it's really nice and a nice little keepsake to have, and really gets you into the zone here when you at the resorts. Now, the studios here do have an extra bed, and it's the pull-out bed right here. We've used it, it's really easy, just yank it out there and it's all set to go. And underneath this little ottoman is a section where you can store things, as well as they have the bedding available here for this room. Oh, and one other nice thing, because I mean it's still fairly spacious, but you do have a spot underneath here if you want to just put all of your luggage as well, because you don't want to cram it all in that little cabinet or the entryway there. So super nice. It's kind of reminds us of Disney Cruise Line and other things. So practical and really nice. We do have 2 chairs here. We kind of moved around here, but really nice. You can sit and enjoy your room. And kind of the big deal here is our island garden view outside here. It comes with 2 chairs and like 2 little tables or footstools if you want to use them for that. And our island garden view actually has a beautiful view as well of the ocean. So it's honestly a really great spot here. They do have the luau located right over here, and I believe the kids play area, Auntie's Beach House is all right down here. So sometimes you'll hear some fun kids Disney music playing, but nothing to complain about. It's just nice atmosphere. So I hope you enjoyed your visit to the Island Garden View Disney Studio Villa here at Aulani, and hope you'll be coming to visit soon.